What's up mga kapadres? Welcome back to our channel. Again, I'm Mike of Soul Padres, and today we have a very special sneaker unboxing video. By the way, here at Soul Padres, we do 3 types of videos. Videos about sneakers, McFarlane toys, and Funko Pops. So, with no further ado, let's get into it. So, as you saw in the thumbnail guys, it's obviously an Adidas collaboration shoe. But what makes this video special is hindi lang yung shoe ang collaboration between Adidas, James Harden, and Quiccs. This is actually a 3-part video, special collaboration with 3 YouTube channels, including ours, which is the first one. Dito, ito na yung first part ng collaboration, which is dito sa Soul Padres. And then, part 2, which is dun sa segment ng kwentong sapatos, will be on Filotalk&Hypebinks channel. And then part 3 is once makuha na nung actual owner at nagpabili at nagpa-hook up ng shoes, which is si Filotalk&Hypebinks. So, let's get it on. Buksan na natin. So, ito na siya. As you can see, from Adidas. So, before we open it, quick backstory lang. This is a Philippine exclusive. Maliban dito sa Pilipinas, I think sa abroad, parang si James Harden lang mismo nakita kong may suot na ito sa playoffs nung recent na games. Tapos, since si Idol Filotalk and si Hypebinks ay nasa Dubai, nag-reach out si Hypebinks kung pwede ko raw ba siya i-hook up at ibili na ito. Sabi ko, sure, no problem. And then, minungkahi ko na let's do a collaboration. Ang ginawa ko is nag-set ako ng alarm. I checked the Adidas site and so na may countdown timer sila dun. Kasi sa kanila una although lumabas siya sa other stores like Titan and I think Sports Central, una siyang lumabas sa Adidas site mismo. Pati yata sa Adidas app, but hindi pa ako nakapag-download ng Adidas app at the time. I forgot the date Anyway, I'll insert na lang the date exact date kung anong date siya lumabas. Anyway, lumabas siya ng 12 AM. Nag-alarm ako ng 11:50 para mag-camp out. Tapos yun, successful yung W natin. Nakap ko yung pair para kay Hypebinks. And ang kagandahan dun is yung SRP niya is 7,000. Dahil bago yung account ko sa Adidas, bago ako mag-checkout, bigla ako naisipan na i-check yung inbox ng email ko. Nakita ko na merong email from Adidas na merong discount code. So, if resellers ay nagbebenta ng 7,000 SRP plus 1,000 plus shipping fee, nakuha ko siya for under retail. So, nashock yung mga tao nung pinost ko. May mga nag-PM pa sa akin na mga reseller. Bro, paano mo nakuha yan? Paano mo nakuha under retail? Sabi ko, bago yun nga, bago yung account ko. Kaya meron akong 10% off. So, 7,000 minus 10%, 700 equals 6,300. Siyempre, free na yung shipping fee niya. Tapos, para kay Hypebinks, malalaman nyo sa part 2 sa kwentong sapatos, pag kay Filotalk na tayo, malalaman nyo kung paano makukuha ni Hypebinks to ng no additional shipping or no additional cost. So, yun nga. Going to the shoe, for those of you who are familiar with Quiccs, Quiccs is all about toys. If I'm not mistaken, Filipino toy maker siya. Medyo wala talaga akong alam sa kanya, pero what I do know is lagi siyang lumalabas sa Facebook feed ko na meron parang may maliit na Gundam na parang siyang naka-blue and white na parang Adidas box. So, lagi siyang lumalabas sa parang advertise sa newsfeed ko ng Facebook. Yung pala, siya yun, meron siyang collaboration with James Harden and Adidas. So, yun na nga. Ito na siya. So, ito, buksan na natin. So guys, here we have it. As you can see, it's a regular Adidas James Harden box. A little bit disappointed na hindi siya yung special box kagaya ng mga binigay like sa friends and family and sa mga celebrities. If you saw the unboxing of DJ Big Boy Cheng, ayun, yun yung sample ng special box. Tapos, before we open it, let's go over a few details of the box. And so ito yung mismong design ng James Harden, especially sa isang previous colorway. Ganyan yung pattern. And then on the bottom of the box, really nice touch ito. Meron siyang pirma ni James Harden, tapos number 13. Ayan. Favorite number din ni Kapadring Bon yan. Number 13, yun ang idol. Tapos kaliwete din si Kapadring Bon. Kapadring Bon, idol mo ba si Harden? Tapos, ayan. Created with James Harden Volume 5. Adidas, James Harden logo. And then, let's open it. Ayan. Maganda yung box niya para sa akin. For a regular box. Tapos, ito. Comes with, says, recycled content. This product is made with recycled content as a part of ambition to end plastic waste. And then Spanish and I think Chinese translations. Ayan. Tapos, as you can see, nakadugtong pala yun. Sa paper muna tayo. Yung paper niya maganda yung quality. As James Harden and Adidas logos. And ito na siya, guys. The moment we've all been waiting for. Tabi muna natin yung box. Ang ganda niya pala. So, ito na siya. Right out of the box. Ang una ko napansin, maliban sa Filipino flag colors, comes with 3 extra laces. Ayan. Red, yellow, and blue. Tapos white yung default. So, since this is special 3-part collaboration with Idol Filotalk and Idol Hypebinks, I won't be reviewing the tech specs. Leave that to our friend Hypebinks. Just provide you my personal and first impressions about the shoe. And siguro a little few details. Like, syempre, yung kulay niya is Noiping Noipi. This is a Philippine flag. And if you're also interested to other colorways ng Harden Volume 5, I'll link this in the description box down below, or you can check that right here, right upper corner of the screen, about sa James Harden Volume 5 na I think it's a salmon or pink something colorway ni Filotalk. So yun. Yan na siya, guys. Philippine flag colorway, exclusive. Ayan, ito na siya, Quiccs. And for the other details, abangan nyo yung kwentong sapatos kay Filotalk again sa part 2. And then part 3, more detailed review kay Hypebinks.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Again, I'm Mike from So Padres. If you made it to this part of the video, thank you so much for the love and support, especially to our OG subscribers. Sobrang thank you sa inyo. And if you're a new subscriber, sobrang thank you din sa inyo. We promise to make more quality content. And in behalf of Kapadring Bon, sobrang thank you din. And guys, again, this is a 3-part video, 3-part collaboration between us, So Padres, Filotalk, and Hypebinks. So, watch out for the Kwentong Sapatos segment featuring the same pair of shoes sa channel ni Filotalk. And then, for an even more detailed review, dun tayo sa channel ni Idol Hypebinks. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Peace.